Yo, what's going on, guys? JW Golfing here, and today I'm just gonna be doing a weather forecasting video for Tropical Storm Idalia and Major Hurricane Franklin and a disturbance off of West Africa. So, first we're gonna talk about Tropical Storm Idalia. So, basically, this one is at 70 miles an hour right now. It's about to become a hurricane. It's a major threat to the USA, and right now there's some hurricane warnings in effect for West Florida, especially for the Tampa area, all the way to Cedar Key, Florida. And then tropical storm watches are issued through all the way to East Florida, all the way up to Charleston, South Carolina. And right now, it is expected right now to become a major hurricane based on the current forecast past right now. Okay, so looks like around Wednesday morning it's going to make landfall somewhere in Florida. We don't know where exactly yet. So when it makes landfall, it's projected to become a maximum of 120 mile an hour wind. That's about mid cat 3 or something, but personally I do think it's gonna be like around a cat 4 or something. Because due to the water, like really warm waters, low shear, and then dry air, it's gonna play a huge factor in all of this. So the arrival time for this one, so it's gonna arrive in Florida around 8 p.m. And from my place in South Carolina, it'll be around Wednesday, 8 a.m. to all of my classmates, who's trying to watch this video. So the wind's going to arrive around 8 a.m. around Wednesday. So remember to get your plans ready for this hurricanes, especially for Florida. It's going to be a big one. So for tropical storm force wind probability, looks like Florida's in the majority of it, especially 90% of the tropical storm percentage. And for Charleston, South Carolina, it'll be around 50% of the tropical storm wind probability. And also the peak surge. We're gonna have the storm surge is gonna be pretty massive here. So 8 to 12 feet from Idalia River down to Chassahousega. Sorry if I'm pronouncing the name wrong, I just don't really know. So 8 to 12 feet. So I see some 1 to 3 feet, 3 to 5 feet, 5 to 8, 6 to 9. And around the Charleston area, around 2 to 4 feet of storm surge. So storms are very, very the deadliest out of all, because they can cause major flood problems, flash flooding potential. So we see the red area right here is around moderate risk of flooding from Jacksonville, Savannah, Charleston, and Wilmington, all the way there. It's gonna be experiencing some heavy flooding for that. For the rainfall, around 4 to 6 inches of rain in the yellow, and for the orange it would be 6 to 10 inches of rain. Locally there might be some places that might get 12 inches from what I heard, but yeah, that's a lot, which is a foot of rain. Okay, so that's all for that. So for major hurricane Franklin right here, right now it's 150 miles an hour. That's crazy. It's a high in category 4 right now. It might be getting to a category 5, so it's predicted to be 155 mile an hour winds, but I think it could be 160 mile an hour wind in category 5. But this is no threat to the US, but it might hit Bermuda for a little bit. So yeah, tropical storm watches are issued for Bermuda, but it's just gonna be a fish storm and no big deal for the US. But there might be some riptides, solid. And for this disturbance right here, we got a 50% chance of marginally conductive for gradual development of the system and the tropical depression could form later in the week. And for the 48 hours, it could be a low 10%, and then formation chance through 7 days, it would be a 50% chance. So if we take a look at this model right here, so GFS model, so here is Tropical Storm Idalia. I don't know if I pronounced the name right, but you guys can correct me on that. So this is a Tropical Storm Idalia right now. So it looks like, so this is showing a little bit of a more western landfall. And looks like it's going to pass through South Carolina, and then looks like it's going to curve back to East Florida, and it's showing also it's going to make another landfall almost in the same exact location, and then hit South Carolina again. Yeah, which is crazy, because there is like a high pressure that's like blocking it from going northeast, like out in the ocean. So my forces stop right there. If we take the winds right here, if we take a look at the 10-meter wind, as you can see, it's gonna be a lot. So the pink is around like 50 knots or something. Okay, one more model is the H-Wharf model. So this is the model right here. So it looks like it's gonna go down all the way down to a 932 millibar. Max winds are around 115-ish, probably around a category 3, which is projected. And it's gonna go through the Carolinas and then just like basically just die out. And then we got the European model. This one is showing the almost exact same thing, but this time it's like going out. It's right outside the Charleston coast, South Carolina. And for the CMC model, looks like this one is showing the exact same thing. Yeah. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and comment and subscribe, and please give me to 3,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.